Ever wondered how to start an online side hustle that actually works on autopilot? There's a free web class that explains it step by step, and you don't need tech skills to join. It's taught by Glenn Kosky, an award-winning marketer who's helped over 23,000 people earn income from their phones and laptops. In this free class, you'll discover the most profitable online side hustle that most people overlook, how to set up automated high-ticket commissions that can pay $1,000 per day, how to use AI to profit from other people's content, how to do it all in under 37 minutes per day without spending thousands on ads or products. How do you build an income stream that runs while you sleep? How do you get started without a website or product of your own? How can AI help you do the work faster and easier? If you're curious, click my link now to sign up for the free web class and see how you can start your own automated side hustle today.